Manual task creation isn't just repetitive, it's a productivity killer. What if every new lead, every form submission, every support ticket automatically becomes a task the moment it happens? With FluentBoards webhooks, that's exactly what happens. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up incoming webhooks, automate task creation, and keep your projects moving faster than ever. And the process kicks off inside FluentBoards, the ultimate project management tool for WordPress. From the dashboard, let's get into the settings. And on the left sidebar, I can easily find the option labeled as incoming webhook. So let's tap on this. Right now, the section looks blank, but that's about to change. With a quick click on the Add Webhook button, the interface to create my first webhook opens up. Here I will start by giving my webhook a name. So let's call it Task via Webhook. Following that, let me choose the project board where I want the new task to appear and select the stage where they should land. So the last step, a single click on the create button, the tab has just been extended with additional functionalities. At this point, FluentBoards provides me with a unique webhook URL. This is the magic link I will use in other applications or platforms to create a task directly into my board. So let's copy it first. Alongside this, there are ready-made presets for mapping data fields correctly, which ensures the tasks created have the right structure every single time. So all I need to do is copy the keys and use them on the sending platform. So for this demo, I'll use Postman, one of the most widely used tools for testing APIs. Since I'm already logged in, we can jump straight into it. Inside Postman, let's open a new tab. And by default, the request method is set to get. That's usually used for retrieving data, but since I want to create a task, I'll switch the method to post. And using post allows me to send data to FluentBoards and create a new task automatically. Here I need to paste the webhook URL I copied earlier into Postman's request field. Beneath that, I'll open the body tab, select form data, and a neat little table appears where I can map keys and values. This is when the presets from FluentBoards come into play. Each key represents a piece of task information, like the title, description, or assigning. By pasting in the right keys and filling in the values I want, I can structure the task exactly how I need it. For example, let's start with a simple title field. By the way, it's mandatory to have a title field while creating task via webhook. After that, I'll paste in the key for title, then set the value to something like automated task, and one by one, let me fill out some other fields. It only takes a few moments to map everything perfectly. Alright, so everything looks great. It's time to hit the send button in Postman, and instantly a success message appears below confirming that everything worked. But did the task actually get created in the FluentBoards? The moment of truth is just a few clicks away. So let's open my FluentBoards project board. I can see the task sitting neatly on the stage I specified. It's there exactly as mapped without me ever having to open FluentBoards and create it manually. And this is just one of many use cases of how easily you can even remotely create a task through webhook. The call is yours, but honestly, if you try to simply project management in WordPress, you have got lots of ways in FluentBoards to do that. So whether you are managing a small team or running complex projects, FluentBoards gives you a straightforward way to create tasks through webhooks in every intuitive way. You have seen how easy it is to automate task creation with webhooks in FluentBoards. Imagine this across your entire workflow. Every platform feeding your projects automatically, every task ready the moment you need it. That's the power of FluentBoards, and it's all waiting for you. If you have followed this course from the beginning, you have already seen how to create and manage projects efficiently. So go ahead, grab FluentBoards now and start managing projects like never before in WordPress.